Dear student, this is the question of analog electronics, and they ask the value of I of D when the Vt of this MOSFET is 1 volt and the constructional parameter mu n COX W by L is equals to 1 milliampere per volt square, and they are interested only in the value of the I of D. That means if I am saying this is the value of V of S, because it is a source, it is a gate and it is a drain, this resistance is not required to calculate the value of I of D. Now assume this transistor is in saturation. Now calculate this V of G. V of G, it is a gate, that means no current will go here. That means this is a separate series connection with a 12 volt battery. That means 12 into 5 divided by the total resistance, 5K divided by 12K. This K will cancel out, this 12 will cancel out. That means the value is 5 volt. Now from here I can say the current which is flowing here must have to flow here also, because this is the total net current through this MOSFET. That means the I of D is equals to V of S divided by 1 of K. And we know another relation also, that means in saturation half mu n COX W by L VGS minus V of T to the whole square. Now this data they have provided, and this we can arrange, because we don't know what is the value of Vs, but we know the value of V of G. That means we have to rearrange Vs as a function of known variables as VGS. That means we can represent like this: Vg minus VGS divided by 1 of K is equals to 1 upon 2 T 1 milli VGS minus 1 to the whole square. Now how I have written this? That because Vg minus VGS can be written like this: Vg minus Vs. That means Vg minus Vg plus V of S. This will cancel out, and overall I have written Vs divided by 1K. Okay. This manipulation is required to solve this problem. If you are able to do this, that means rest of the thing you can do very easily. Now put here the values. That means I am putting the value 5 minus VGS divided by 1 of K 1 by 2 milli. That means 1 milli basically they are providing. VGS minus 1 to the whole square. This kilo and milli will cancel out, because if you will multiply here, kilo and milli will cancel out. That means 10 minus 2 VGS, expand this, VGS whole square minus 2 VGS plus 1. That means this minus 2 VGS cancel out, and VGS square is equals to 9. That means VGS is equals to 3. That means you got what is the value here, VGS. Again, that means these calculations are not required for the solution. For the further solution, now the I of D is given by 1 upon T mu n COX W by L. This parameter you know, that means value is 1 milli into VGS you have calculated as 3 minus 1 to the whole square. That means 1 by 2 into 1 milli into 4. That means the value will be 2 milliampere.